If you've been struggling to build your network marketing business and things haven't been working, you've been talking to people and the only answer that your upline has is talk to more people, that is not a system, okay? So when we got started in this industry, we prayed that God would give us the direction that he wanted us to go and bring on board the people that he wanted to bring on board. And so over time, I've learned how to build the business online. And if you put in your email and your name in the box below, I'm going to teach you how to do the same thing and show you step by step what we are doing and what we're getting results from. We're still learning. We're still on the beginning of this journey. It's exciting to know that the business model works. Even if you're introverted like I am, you don't have to be that person that feels pressure all the time to talk to people and try to sell them your thing. I'm really interested in talking to people after I can show them an actual system of how to do it, because the model works. It's just a matter of signing up the right people and signing up enough people to get to the desired income that you want. But talking to more people is not a system. It might work for the charismatic person. That is not me. I need something very systematic that I can do. I can just run people through the system, get up the numbers, and that'll take care of it. So if that's something that you're interested in, just put in your email address and I'll show you what we're doing.